Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to access our adapt sound in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To change our sound option, we have to go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, and at the bottom we have Sound Quality and Effects. Adapt sound is right here. What does it do? As you can see from this little short explanation here, we can change our hearing range. We can change our hearing range. We can boost high frequencies, high to mid frequencies, etc. if we change our age bracket, or we can adjust it by, for example, under 30 years old, and this we can tap this cog here, and we can change some options here. We can also test our hearing, so we can choose the best option for us. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.